Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the Starlink Mount Gen 3. An adjustable wall and roof mounting kit designed specifically for the Starlink V3 standard dish. This mount promises easy installation, durability, and flexibility for various outdoor setups, so let's dive in and see what it has to offer. First off, the Starlink Mount Gen 3 is built from heavy-duty carbon steel, giving it a robust and sturdy feel. The entire bracket is powder-coated, making it rust-proof and weatherproof, so it can withstand sun, rain, and even strong winds. This makes it ideal for long-term outdoor installations, whether on a wall, roof, or even a pole. The mount is compatible with both standard and high-performance Starlink V3 dishes, offering a secure hold in any environment. One of the standout features of this mount is its adjustability. The tilt mechanism allows for precise positioning to ensure the best satellite signal. And once fixed, the reinforced base and locking screws prevent wobbling or slipping, even in less than ideal weather conditions. The mount also comes with a pipe adapter, allowing for more versatile installation options. You can easily set it up on concrete or wooden walls, roofs, or poles, making it perfect for homes, RVs, cabins, or any location where Starlink service is needed. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require professional tools. The kit comes with all necessary mounting hardware, including clamps, screws, and the user manual. Essentially, you attach your Starlink dish to the mount, tighten the clamps, connect it to your router, and you're ready to go. The process is designed to be completed quickly, so you don't need to spend hours figuring out complicated setups. In terms of size, the mount measures 12 by 8 by 8 inches and weighs just over 3 pounds, making it compact enough to fit in most outdoor spaces without being intrusive. The sturdy construction ensures that the dish stays stable, keeping your internet connection reliable and consistent. Overall, the Starlink Mount Gen 3 is a versatile and durable solution for mounting your Starlink V3 dish. Its adjustable design, weatherproof build, and easy installation make it a strong contender for anyone looking to improve the stability and performance of their satellite internet setup. Whether you need it for a permanent home installation or a mobile setup in an RV or cabin, this mount offers flexibility and reliability. That's it for today's review. If you're looking for a reliable, adjustable, and weatherproof mount for your Starlink V3 dish, the Gen 3 mount is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and tech insights.